Let's quickly compare and contrast Duda, Thrive Architect, and ConvertKit. Of course, we are speaking about landing page builder, but we go way beyond landing page builders. We're speaking about marketing automation platform, okay? So here's a review I want you to pay attention to. So when we think about Duda, I want you to think about efficiency. So Duda is basically a no-code website builder designed to handle all the needs of a digital marketing agency or an entrepreneur. So if you are a solopreneur or a small business owner, you will love Duda. And Duda actually goes beyond website building to actually give you industry-specific landing page templates you can use to deliver a great user experience to your audience. And so this drag and drop tools, are very handy, and you can insert advanced elements for a pixel perfect design. So that's really cool. And so it's one of those things where when you think about Duda, I want you to think about 90% efficiency. 90% autonomy, because as a user, you don't get total drag and drop freedom, because you'll be able to you still are evolving within a certain construct, but you are able to craft a good landing page that achieves the purpose of converting the audience. So that's really cool. So what are the pros and cons of Duda here? The pros first: you have various industry specific templates, so online store, events, education, and what have you. You have SEO tools to optimize your landing pages. You have team collaboration options, and you have client billing feature to streamline your company's operation. So that's really good. In terms of the cons, this is not the most flexible design wise, and the font selection is a bit limited. And Duda actually offers a 14-day free trial to test out its features before committing. So, and paid plans, I'll speak about paid plans later on, but paid plans start at $25 per month with the basic plan. So when you think about Duda, think about that. Think about a no-code website builder that has all kinds of capabilities to kind of help you out. And what I want to say before moving to the next phase is that Duda is very easy to use. The UX and the UI are fantastic. You don't have to struggle too much. And we love the fact that Duda actually helps you out by giving you pretty structured templates. This means you have less creative freedom than, say, Wix. So instead of being able to put anything anywhere, you can only make changes within the rules or guidelines of the template's layout. Now, some people love this sort of guidance, some don't. But hey, listen, it is what it is. Boss, welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here. Make yourself comfortable. You are going to enjoy today's conversation. So when it comes to cost, I want you to look right now on the screen. Here is what we have with Duda right now. So you have a constellation of pricing tiers. So you have the basic all the way to the white label. So white label, this is for agencies if you want to really, if you are in the reseller sort of community. And if you want something customized, and this is not a problem, you can contact Duda and they will talk to you. They will find something that works for you, okay? And so you're paying a basic $19 per month. If all the prices I'm showing you here, this is if you accept annual billing. If you were to go with monthly billing, you have to actually pay a little bit more, like 25%. But in terms of the templates that Duda gives you, they're pretty good though. They're really good, and they have about 100 professionally designed templates to choose from. And in addition to the usual pre-filled examples, there are 10 blank ones that you can fill from scratch. So you have some kind of flexibility there. We also love the fact that you have a constellation of tools and features that really elevates your Duda experience, okay? So we are speaking about design features that can help you customize and personalize your websites, from over 100 font styles to a built-in photo editor. So this is really good. You have SEO. In terms of SEO, Duda is pretty well packaged, well positioned, because you have free SSL. So this comes with every Duda sites, but it needs installing. So this is a one-click process. You have responsive templates that automatically resize to fit the screen or device being used. You have Google Page Speed optimization. You have customizable titles. You have meta descriptions and page URLs, and you have alt text that can be added to images. So that's really good. In terms of marketing, you have all kinds of capabilities, because Duda actually has thought outside the box when it comes to marketing. So in its resource pages, you will find a list of marketing materials that are available to pro customers on the team plan or above. So you got to have the pro customers. So you got to have the team plan or above. So we have resources as varied as lead generating landing page templates. You have white label sales decks. You have white label handouts, white label support portal. So that's really cool. And you also have email header images. So that's really good in terms of flexibility. You also have e-commerce features. So we are speaking about product categories. You can actually you can set up an online store, not a problem, okay? And you can contact, if you have any question, you can contact Duda via email. You can or chat, or phone, depending on the plan that you have. And so you also have priority email if you are on the agency plan. So that's really good. So Duda, long story short, is a design-led website builder that, while simple, does provide the foundations to build a great, eye-catching, user-friendly website. Boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about Duda versus Thrive Architect versus ConvertKit. Let's talk about Thrive Architect. So when you think about Thrive Architect, I want you to think about a tool that's specifically for landing page. Okay, so for a landing page, so and the pricing actually will start around at $199 per year. And but the cool thing is that Thrive Architect is a well-known WordPress page builder with a focus on creating converting landing pages. So we are in a WordPress universe. And if you would do that, you had flexibility, but with the Thrive Architect, you can only do WordPress, okay? And that's really what it is. But Thrive Architect really does a great job at it does really well what it knows how to do. So it's arguably one of the fastest landing page builders out there. And this drag and drop builder follows a click to edit approach. So it's extremely easy to customize, if you want to get things done a lot faster. So if you want to customize your landing page design, that's totally fine. And the good thing about this tool is that every page you create is 100% customizable. Unlike Duda that really would restrict you a little bit, this actually you have you have freedom, you have autonomy, creative autonomy here. And Thrive Architect this tool features a smart landing page functionality, meaning as a user, you can do full page customization with ease. This also helps you save crucial time that you would otherwise spend trying to find individual settings. And this is really important. So what are the pros and cons of this tool here? You have the pros first. You have more than 250 customizable filling landing page templates. You have ultra-fast landing page editor. You have conversion-oriented landing page items and elements. You have flexible column layouts, and you have lifetime updates. And what are some of the cons that you need to be aware of? There are no A/B testing on Thrive Architect, only on Thrive Optimize. Not as many elements when compared to other builders, and there are some bugs that still need fixing. So you need to really understand that. Now, there is no free plan or trial for Thrive Architect. The tool costs $199 per year, while if you opt for Thrive Optimize to have A/B testing, you will need to pay $399 per year. So that's an important element to actually think about. So that's an extra investment. One thing I want to say about Thrive Architect is that, as you can see on the screen here, they're charging you $299 if you were to take the full suite. But if you just want to have the Thrive Architect only, it's $199. But if you take the full suite, you are paying $299 per year. Now the suite actually is kind of cool because you have not only Thrive Architect, you have Thrive Quiz Builder, you have Thrive Leads, you have Thrive Apprentice, you have Thrive on Ultimatum, you have Thrive Ovation, Thrive Optimize, Thrive Comments, and Thrive Automated. Now, of course, we are speaking about WordPress ecosystem. So if you are not a WordPress sort of a website builder or web designer, you are not going to use Thrive Architect. Okay, and it's also important to understand that the creative design, the creative ability of Thrive Architect is pretty superior, way superior than with Duda. Okay, and the cool thing is that the templates you have within Thrive Architect are stunning, and they will make your sales page pop up really, really great. Okay, if you need a different style, there are pre-made designs with different colors, font, and backgrounds. This makes it very easy to match the pricing table to your existing theme. You can always customize the block further using the options in the left taskbar. So that's really good in terms of capability. We also love the fact that you have responsiveness actually here, and you also have a scroll behavior. So scroll behavior is kind of important if you're trying to build a landing page. That's an important element, and you can even add animation to any block. And under the animations and action tab, you can make your block slide, grow, zoom, shrink, fade, rotate, and roll. So this is really good. So Thrive Architect also has settings that stand out in terms of normal page, blank page, completely blank page, also pre-built landing page. So you have flexibility there. You also get options that include the following. You have status and visibility, page template settings, page content, visibility settings, custom scripts. So that's really cool in terms of opportunity. But again, you want to make sure you want to think about the opportunity to get Thrive Architect only, or you want to get the nine obviously the 9 plugins within the Thrive suite, right? The Thrive suite will cost you $299 per year, but the Thrive Architect only will cost you $199. So this is something to think about before making a decision. Boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about Duda versus Thrive Architect versus ConvertKit. Let's talk about ConvertKit. So when we think about ConvertKit, I want you to think about a great service to launch your first landing page and start collecting email addresses to grow your business. If you are a blogger, if you are a YouTuber, if you're an author, if you're an Instagrammer, if you are a TikToker or a musician, this service will be a great match for you. This landing page builder offers some stunning templates for many use cases, such as podcasts, ebooks, and videos. All of them are mobile responsive and look good on all devices. And users can also add photos from Unsplash to their pages and make them more eye pleasant. So that's really cool. And the editor feels easy to use in general, and it's a modern aesthetic. Surely it's a nice to have. So this is really good. Now let me talk to you about the pros and cons of this player here. So pros first, you have a great landing page builder to monetize what you do. You have dynamic forms. It's free to get started, and you have thousands of images that are available free of charge. You also have a seamless integration with third-party tools. What about the cons here? Some of the available themes are restrictive in our view. You have limited A/B testing options, and you have analytics that could be better in terms of the UI and the UX, okay? But the cool thing is that ConvertKit has a free plan for up to 300 contacts with unlimited landing pages. And to unlock third-party integrations and more powerful features, paid plans start at $15 per month. I'll speak later on about pricing so everybody's clear as to what we are speaking about. But when we talk about ConvertKit, we are talking about features such as landing pages and forms. You have drag and drop builder. You have templates. You have email broadcast and sequences. You have segmentation. You have marketing automation. You have RSS feeds. Create a profile and create a network. You have commerce features. You can sell digital products and subscriptions. You have sponsor network, and you have integrations. And so getting started is pretty straightforward. It takes about 5 minutes to get started. Fantastic. You get your email. You confirm your email. And then you get started. The landing pages are pretty straightforward. Also, that's what we love in terms of the capabilities the pages give you. You also have the ability to actually synchronize your ConvertKit with other third-party apps that you use a lot. So that's really cool. I want you to look right now on the screen here. Here is a pricing for ConvertKit as of the date of this show. So when we talk about how much does ConvertKit cost, obviously you have a trifecta. You have the free, the creator, and the creator pro. Okay, and so when we talk about the free plan is good for up to 1,000 subscribers. Free users can build unlimited landing pages, forms, and email broadcasts. This free plan comes with basic features like audience tagging and segmentation. You have digital products, and this is where you have ConvertKit's training courses and so on and so forth. The creator plan starts from $15 per month, and $9 to $15 per month. $9 months per month, $9 per month if you accept annual billing, but $15 otherwise. and comes with everything in the free plan plus a bunch of premium features. So that includes access to the creator network, email migration, automated email sequences, the visual automation builder, third-party integrations, and live chat and email support. You'll also be able to add one extra team member to your account. And the creator plan actually will cost you $29 per month if billed monthly, and $25 per month if billed annually, and unlocks more features. Actually, not more features, but all features. So this is really good. So on top of everything you get in the creator plan, Creator Pro also comes with subscriber scoring, advanced reporting, access to the newsletter referral system, priority support, and unlimited team members. And the cool thing is, with all plans, you can get 2 months for free if you choose to pay yearly. And if the free plan is not enough for your needs, you can try out the Creator or Creator Pro plans with a free trial. So that's really cool in terms of flexibility. So we love the fact that with ConvertKit, you have a creator-focused features. You have the best platform for sending out incentives. You have an impressive interface, good delivery rates, all-in-one solution, and a free plan. So that's really cool. Of course, if you don't like, for any reason you don't like ConvertKit, you have other players besides Duda and Thrive Architect. You have a Miller Lite, for instance. You have MoveSend, and you have Active Campaign. So you have the capability, you have the possibilities there to choose what you want. Duda versus Thrive Architect versus ConvertKit, which one should you go for? Let me give you the overview before I answer that question. It's important to understand that when we talk about the best landing page builder, whether it is Duda or Thrive Architect or ConvertKit, everything depends upon what kind of vision you have, right? But at a minimum, you want a landing page builder that can really load fast and not require any coding skills from you. It needs to be flexible, easy to use, and most of all, affordable. You want to have a solution that really can help you scale real fast, because the thing is that when your email list grows up, you really need to have a landing page that grows that really scales also. So the thing is that it's important to understand that you do not want to go with a landing page that's free, because if you want to unlock the most important features, you want to pay for it. You want to pay for those features, right? You can build a landing page completely free by leveraging the free trial or free plan of a landing page builder tool such as ConvertKit, for instance, or even Duda. And this is totally good. But the thing is that if you want the real stuff, you have to pay for it. Okay. Now, if you want an all-in-one tool, then MoveSend and ConvertKit are great options too. You won't even need to pay for hosting, as these tools have you covered on that front. So that's really cool in terms of flexibility. And so to create your landing page, the first thing you need to do is select a robust landing page builder. Choose one of the available templates and your unique content and customize your copy. Then craft your calls to action and add branding elements such as your logo and brand colors. Finally, set your SEO settings and publish your landing page, okay? And this is totally fine. So what is the winner here? Duda versus a Thrive Architect versus ConvertKit. Which one should you go for? Our preferred one is ConvertKit, because ConvertKit is more affordable. It's cheaper, that's for sure, and it has more templates. I mean, you want to go with Thrive Architect if you are a WordPress. If you are in the WordPress ecosystem, that's definitely the best. And if you really are looking for something more convoluted, if you will, convoluted in the right way, you want to go with Duda. But our preferred one is ConvertKit. We love the fact that it's pretty flexible, and it really gives you creative flexibility. That's for sure. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. In today's conversation, I talked to you about Duda versus Thrive Architect versus ConvertKit. So I give you the review, then the overview, and finally the winner before talking about the recap. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.